know what to start with. But anyway, let's just get into this video and get it over and done with because I'm really nervous about this. Yeah, so I'm not a makeup artist. I don't know if this video is going to be any good. I don't even know if I'm going to post it, but we will see, won't we, soon enough. I've got my little bag of goodies here, all in this here. This is what I would do if I was going out or I wanted to put makeup on. I'm not a makeup artist, please don't judge me. This is just what I do. I hope you guys learn some tips and tricks from me. I've kind of like I've learned how to do my makeup through watching other people do their makeup on YouTube. There's certain people I follow. So I don't know what I'm gonna start with first. I kind of chop and change with what I wanna start with. I know you're supposed to do like, is it eyes first and then your base? I don't know. I don't know all the tricks, nicks behind it all, but yeah. I do my makeup the same, even when I'm going out with like friends and stuff. I don't really change much. I might use some glitter or I might add extra concealer or an extra bit of foundation layer if I wanted to. Depending on my skin, depending on my mood, depending on what I'm doing, I tend to go for the same sort of look and same like eyeshadow and eye makeup look. So I am going to start with my favourite, and that is my Revolution Stick Instant, is it? Makeup Stick Revolution. So I'm going to start with that first. I'm going to put it here. You're going to really think, what the hell is this girl doing? Like, I don't know. Put it over a few like of my blemishes. Let's put it over. So now I'm going to just blend this in with my beauty blender. I did wet this, by the way. I know I'm not a professional, I'm really sorry, but like, this is just why I'm really not great at this, but you know. So I will literally just do that. So yeah, I don't put foundation over everything, my whole entire face. I kind of just like to dot it where I need it. Let's do that. Don't know if it, there we go. Let me just check. And then what I would do is I would go in with Super Size Concealer Define Revolution Stick. And I would put that under my eyes, like here, and I would put it on my eyelids a little bit, and on any little blemished areas. So I've got a few little spots here and a little bit over here. So and sometimes I'm just stare a bit. So then I would just dab in on with my beauty blender. Everyone uses all these professional terms when they're doing their makeup. I'm really not a professional. But hey ho, let's just do that. Oh, I've just had a coffee and I've got that really awful aftertaste of coffee. Like, I love coffee, but the aftertaste.
No, it's horrible.
So I'm gonna literally just do that.
It's all in my face.
I think I've got it all. It's really hard looking in there. Sorry, the light is not great. And then looking down here. I've done the foundation, I've done the concealer. Now I'm going to, you're gonna think I'm really bizarre. I'm gonna let that kind of like just kind of dry for a little bit, because I find when you first put it on, obviously it's like a bit wet and stuff. You kind of need it to like soak in and dry. I don't do all that, what is it called when they do the baking? I don't do the baking. Instead of baking, I do my own sort of baking when it comes to setting foundation and concealer. I get this one, I can't see it. The Collection Pressed Powder is literally the cheapest thing in the world, and I think I've shown that one in one of my other videos. And I literally do this, and I go over my eyelids first. I don't know why, it's just a habit of mine. It's kind of like setting my eyelids with powder. I kind of dab instead of stroke, because if you stroke your powder in, it's just gonna move around the foundation and the concealer and what's on your face already. So you should actually dab it, because stroking it is literally just doing circular with all your other makeup. It's just kind of like smudging it around your face, you know?
So I dab all the powder on my face, And just slightly below the chin, just so you don't have that line. I hate. Do this, do that.
That's the normal powder done. So I've done the pressed powder. I then am gonna go in with my favorite, and that is, I don't know if you can see it. It's the, yeah, it's a bit smudged off, but it's the Summer of Love, and it's the triple baked bronzer. So depending on if I've got like fake tan on, if I've got a bit of a tan, whatever it is, I will usually use this to darken my face, because obviously I don't have fake tan on my face, and if your face is a bit lighter than your rest of your body, you just want to even that out if you're going out. So now I would use a different brush for my bronzer.
Dab, dab, dab.
Blow it a little bit. It's a bit of a shimmer to it, and I literally just put that on my cheeks a little bit and across my nose, and I would just keep doing that. And on there. Right, I'm gonna get to my next bit. After I've done that, I'm then gonna get the bronzer. You're gonna find this really odd, but I've learned this from somebody, but I can't remember who it was. Who did I learn this from? Well, I learned this from somebody I watched on YouTube, and basically I get the bronzer, get my smaller brush, blow it. This is my favourite brush to use. I just got it from Amazon, but I've had it for ages. But basically now what I'm going to do is I'm going to, with my eyelids, I'm going to put the bronzer on my eyelids. Can't really see what I'm doing. Okay. So I'm literally just going in, oh, this lighting. Going with the bronzer on my eyelids like an eyeshadow. I'm gonna get this same brush again, and I'm gonna get the bronzer and put it underneath the eye. I look like a weirdo right now. I don't know how people do this, like the makeup on camera. So yeah, once you've put the bronzer as an eyeshadow on the eyelid and under the eye, I'm done with that bit. I'm then gonna get the, there it is, I found it. Okay, anyway, then I'm gonna get the eyeliner, best eyeliner ever, and this one is the Wonder Eyeliner Ink, and it is Rimmel London. So this is really good. This is gonna be really hard to do on camera right now. Okay, I'm gonna bring you forwards. I don't know what I'm doing. There we go. There we go. So now what I'm gonna do, this lighting, is I'm gonna do my eyeliner. I'm gonna struggle right now because I need to look. Let me try. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Okay, I've got it. So here, now what I'm gonna do, eyeliner. I can't do it on camera. It's so hard. Always something. Let's try now. Let me try. You make do with these things, you know? As a small YouTuber, you have to just make do when it comes to like
Lighting,
Camera work.
editing.
all that fun stuff, honestly. I like to do a winged line because it just makes your eyes just pop like that. So if you can see the difference between my eye popping here versus here, like, you know, I look really tired here, and like my eye looks like, whoa. Not gonna lie, my mood's dropped today compared to like, is it yesterday? My mood is so much more tired today. I don't know, I've just had a coffee and I feel really tired. Don't know what it is. The liner's done, thank God for that. Everything is just falling and, wait. Oh my God. Okay, so eyeliner's done. This video is gonna be really long. It's taking me ages. Doesn't usually take me this long, honestly. Some people will probably disagree, but it depends on my day. But it's just taking me long right now because I'm obviously trying to talk you through what I'm doing. The pressure of having a video on, you know, you're being watched and people are going to be watching this. It's pressure. I do tint my brows, so I don't really want to have to draw them in or anything. So what I'm literally going to do is get my, it's not really clear anymore because I use it on my brows and it has leftover like whatever on it. But my Colour Lash Collection clear mascara, and I literally just like to go over my brows, like something, you know. So I use several different mascaras, and right now I'm going to use this Maybelline New York Sensational Luscious with Oil Blend. So now I'm going to go in with my mascara. Actually, no, wait! I've forgotten one thing. Can't forget this. You can't forget. So I'm going to just curl my lashes a bit before I put my mascara on. Right, I'm going to apply this mascara now. Okay, I'm done with this mascara. I'm now going to go to another mascara, and that is going to be the Collection Define Mascara. Now I'm going to just go over that because I like the brush on this one. It's a nice brush. It kind of like strokes them out a bit. So I use one that's barely got any left in it just to like brush through. Then I'm going to go in with another mascara on my bottom lashes. Now I've done my eye makeup there, I'm just going to go over one more time with my bronzer, and I'm just going to do a little bit of this. Just to like give it. I forgot one thing I didn't do in my eye makeup. So I do like to use, this is from Primark. I've had it for ages. It's like my favourite eyeshadow palette. Like, it is so pigmented. It's so, I love the colours. I just love it. I get this palette. It's really used, as you can see. And I get this colour here. So it is an eyeshadow. I don't know, it's like a pinky with a tint of like, hint of like gold. But it's very like shimmery. It's a bit like a highlighter. And I do like to get that. And I just go over these bits. Just to give it like a highlighting effect, but it's better than highlighter. Honestly, this is such a good eyeshadow. Those bits there. And I'll do the same again with the other lash. And there we have it. My final little touch to my everyday makeup is, I've done everything my makeup except for one thing. This is the final touch, and that is
lippy.
So this is the matte lip liquid, The Body Shop. This is my favourite lippy from The Body Shop. Stays on for ages and just gives it that final touch, you know? So I just put that one on. And there we have it, the final look. And there we have it, my makeup look. So this is what I would wear if I was going out, if I was going, I don't know, I wanted to wear makeup, you know, you name it, I'm wearing it. So there's, you've got it, is my makeup look. That is my makeup look. Let me just sort this out one more time. Oh my goodness, everything's falling again. I didn't do too bad of a job. I think it was harder for me to do it on camera than it is to do normally, just because I know it's on camera and you guys are watching and it's just, you know. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do my makeup. It's not very exciting, I know, it's very basic. You probably don't like the way I do it and it's not the most professional at all, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. yeah, comment anything below if there's anything you want to comment. Let me know what you thought, what you didn't think was good, what you thought was good. I always like comments, so don't be afraid to just pop something down below. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe down below.
Ooh.
Make sure you subscribe down below on my channel, and make sure you give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and also, you know, share it amongst your friends if you like, whatever it is that makes you happy and you enjoyed it. So long, farewell. Okay guys, there you have it. That's my makeup look. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys. Always happens. I go to stop it and it's not.